ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Support my channel even more by sharing my videos, watching my videos in full, and go watch your playlist or two. For this video, I'm using the Stabilo Basic Felt Tip Pens. My reference is from Pinterest. I'm not sharing it because copyright issues, etc. But mine looks nothing like it, I can guarantee it. So I've gone in with the pens and I'm adding water because they're water soluble. I found this way of drawing a portrait really inspiring, and it's fun to do without worry. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.